beside you. May I ask the principal sponsors to please rise. Mon and Joy, will you please face each other as you will now make your vow.
The time has come, the moment where you and I bind together in God's love. Raymond, I want you to know how grateful I am to have you as my partner, my husband. You are a blessing from God, a precious gift to me, a man I want to be with for the rest of my life. I promise to always be loyal and true, to be there when you need me the most, to laugh and cry with you, to never let hatred come between us, to stay in touch no matter how far apart we are. You know, we're right for each other. You know how much I love you. I thank God for bringing you in my life. Thank you for being a part of my life. Thank you for the love that you gave to me. I will cherish my life with you and promise to be your most loving wife. No matter what you do or what happens in your life, I will remember you always, and I will walk with you and with God today, tomorrow, and forever. Amen.
Joy, I did not prepare any vow at first because I wanted to be spontaneous in what I was telling. I wanted all the words that would come out in my mouth coming from my heart. Some 10 months ago, when I first stepped on this very gazebo with my plan, with my goal of asking you to be my wife. And now the day has come. We are here again. You don't know how much I am happy right now. Words are not enough to express how I feel and how blessed I am and how thankful I am to God that He gave a woman like you to me. Joy, I promise you that I will love you unconditionally, that I will be your shield in times of storm, that I will be your strength, that I will be your man until the end of my life. I love you so much.
Pastor Badinabos, will you please deliver a special prayer for Mon and Joy?
Ang Panginoon, Diyos na dakila, makapangyarihan sa lahat. Pinupuri ka po namin at pinapasalamatan sa iyong dalawang anak na nag-iisang liblib sa araw nito. Amin pong dalangin ang patuloy niyo pagpatnubay at paggabay. Gaya ng inumpisahan mo sa kanilang mga buhay, ang sila ay makakialas ko. Dakilang Diyos, basbasan niyo po, pagpalain niyo po ang kanilang pamumuhay bilang iyong mga anak, magkasama sa anumang pagkakataon, sa anumang sitwasyon, na patuloy ng iyong salita ng saring matibay na manual sa kanilang pagiging mag-asawa upang ito'y pagiging matagumpay. I-bless niyo po ang kanilang mga plano. I-bless niyo po ang lahat ng mga mangyayari sa kanilang buhay. At kami niliwanas at nananalig ang iyong biyaya, ang iyong pag-ibig, ipatuloy na magiging sapat para sa kanila. Pagpalain niyo po sa Panginoon. Maraming salamat sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Pastor Nestor Casero will please say a special prayer for Joy Almon.
Amang Banal, kami po ay patuloy na nalangin, nagpapasalamat para kay Joy at Raymond sa kanilang pag-iisang dibdib ngayon. At kanilang desisyon na ito, pinapanalangin namin, Panginoon, na sa kanilang pagsusumpa ngayon, na ito'y maging hanggang bukas kanilang buhay. Alam namin, Panginoon, na ito'y permanente sa kanila. Kaya hiniling namin, Panginoon, ang patnubay at bendisyon na sa kanilang pagsasama, ito'y sila ay maging masaya, sila ay maging matagumpay, at lalong-lalo, Panginoon, sa mga plano nila na ikaw po ang patuloy na magbigay ng gabay sa kanila through your word, Panginoon, yung banal na salita. Salamat, Panginoon, ang sa dalawang ito na bilang mga anak mo na sila'y magsusumpa sa ngayon bilang ito aming pinapanalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Amen.